Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So it has been a few days since the last update, so let's recalibrate. Let's look at if something changed. Nothing changed so far on this chart. Price respected resistance in the end here. We did not get a sustained break above the 50% fib retracement, so I'm happy to still call that a wave 4. Yeah, nothing broke. And now it seems like this fifth wave to the downside that we've been waiting for is unfolding right now. So actually there's no need to change. We're just back on track, or we are actually on track. Continue to be on track here in this current decline in this C wave of a wave 2. And let's take a look at where we should be heading next and where we're actually coming from first. So if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that the price moved up in a so-called 1-2-1-2 setup of last year's lows. And as I said, it could be that this is a 1-2-1-2 setup, which is very bullish, or we're just dealing with one large wave 1 and then a wave 2. At the moment, I just leave it as it is. There's no need to change it. We've been talking about this wave 2 correction now for a while. Highlighted to you that this could either be an A wave. Well, no, this would be an A wave. Then the question is, where did the B wave end? There are a few possibilities. Could be that the B wave ended here on the 30th of August. It is also entirely possible that instead of having the B wave finished here, that this is just a triangle. But it doesn't really change the analysis much. Okay, so we will still expect another low, and this is what we are seeing right now. And we wanted to see a low below what I have labeled as A wave low at $22.20. Actually, it's around $22.10, so it seems to be going that way, okay? And it seems to me that we should be getting sort of maybe close to $21.17, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. It's not entirely clear how the subdivisions of this structure are unfolding, so I can't really give you a micro count, but I think it is at this stage quite likely that there is going to be another low one way or another below this third wave low, yeah? So this would be the primary scenario, that we now make maybe the final low in silver. And then at some point here in the next few days, maybe next week, that we are attempting a turnaround. So $21.17 is going to be the next support if $22.10 is breaking to the downside. So from that point of view, everything's okay. All of this move down seems to be a C wave. Any other scenarios? Well, the only other scenario in this base case scenario, which assumes this is a wave 2, which should then rally in a third wave at some point. The only other scenario I can imagine is that, the other likely scenario, I can imagine a lot of scenarios, but what is likely? That's the question. That this B wave is still unfolding as, yeah, a larger triangle. So could be that this entire sell-off in wave C is being delayed. Okay, and let me just, I'll do that later, shifting that to the right-hand side. And that this B wave is actually a proper triangle. So A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave. And that actually the E wave is still in the making. Yeah, it's a larger three-wave move, A, B, C. Now this is, if we now see a rally from here, a U-turn, it should happen now basically, or our main scenario is playing out. So if it does a U-turn, maybe, maybe the market opens tomorrow or whatever, and it does a U-turn, then it could give us here just a more extended B wave as a triangle before then breaking down. In this scenario, the price should stay below $25 to keep it very likely. But at the moment, I have no reason really to believe that until I see some evidence for it. And bear in mind, we're now approaching a key support level here. This $22.30 level roughly, the golden ratio, the 61.8 fib retracement, that's one key level. Then we've got the trend line. Yeah, you see this dashed line. This is the triangle trend line and all those previous swing lows. So we have really a cluster of support here, which is really relevant, okay? So that's basically my best analysis at the moment about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.